funded and focused feature. Cash flow to your business from government contracts can be a strong source of revenue. One of the key gateways to this is accurate financial records that demonstrate control and reliability. Whether audited or internally prepared, statements must reflect actual operations. For businesses, it is important to focus on organizing financial documentation, maintaining consistency, and preparing records that can support contract bid, evaluation, and post-award audits. As an example, our client, Trevon, had do-it-yourself bookkeeping, which was inconsistent. With professional systems, Trevon's records became clean, defensible, and procurement ready.